I'm doing or trying a that girl morning routine. Why did I choose to do this on a Saturday? Who knows? But it's 6:30. I've snoozed a good amount of times. 6:30. We're gonna get started on the freaking morning routine. I got 5 hours of sleep. Perfect. Step 1, wake up early. Check. Step 2, it says drink a very tall glass of water. Okay, I'm just gonna chug my hydro flask and call it a day. I was gonna go downstairs and fill up a glass, but I can't be bothered. Okay, there's a little left, but I gotta wash my face. I'll see you guys after. Next step of that girl morning routine is to go for a workout. It's kind of normally what I do anyways. I go for a run in the morning recently. I've been running. I'm a runner, guys. So early. It's literally not even 7 yet. 6:45. So I'm gonna go for a run right now. I feel like that girl would wear a matching workout set, but I have to wear this because I don't like to not bring my phone on runs when I'm alone. Like when I'm with a D, I won't bring my phone, but I'll show you guys why I have to wear this. I've been really liking running recently, so I'm gonna hook up my AirPods. They want to listen to a podcast. I normally just like listening to podcasts when I run. Okay, so I started everything on my phone, and then I have this bra. That's why I wear a tank top under because I haven't washed it. This is the only bra that has like this thing where I can put my phone in that's like comfortable. I don't really like wearing leggings where you can put your phone in. And I just put it through the back and then put the bra on. I definitely want something better to be able to bring my phone every time, because like obviously I don't bring my phone every time, but then I just like don't listen to anything. I just got back. I'm freaking tired. I normally run all the way home, but today I thought I should probably walk at the end so I don't literally die when I just stop and lay down, because I want to do some like body movements. Okay, we're gonna do some abs. I honestly don't even feel tired, like sleepy tired, so that's good. So the routine I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do 20 crunches, 20 toe reaches, upside down crunches, and then plank. I'm gonna do that 3 times. Okay, the workout is complete. The next step is to shower and get ready for the day. This means like you don't have to get fully ready, like put on makeup or anything. I'm probably not gonna put on makeup or anything, but I'm gonna put on a little cute set probably and feel my best, because I have a lot to do actually today. I need to edit 2 videos, maybe 3. So I wanna feel productive, like not in my pajamas. The next step, I'm in my outfit. It took a little bit longer than expected because I just couldn't figure out what to wear and like be comfortable but still feel like put together. I ended up going with this Skims Olympic tank top that I literally never worn. It's like just says Team USA, and then on the back it has like the logo for the Olympics, and then I'm wearing some white biker shorts that I think are literally so comfy. So I feel pretty cute. feel like I'm literally going to the Olympic Games, but it's fine. We are on to the soul part of the day. So basically what this is you do something for your soul, do something for yourself, whether you like to read or you like to write, like journal, you want to meditate, stretch, anything that's honestly just like good for your soul. I have the 5-minute journal. I definitely recommend one of these. I use it here and there, it just depends. If I feel like I need a little bit more gratitude that day, I'll definitely use it. I haven't used it in a while, but we're gonna do it today. Okay, so basically the 5-minute journal, you can do this in your head too, honestly, or you can make your own. It's just, I'm grateful for, and you list 3 things. So I'm gonna write that. Okay, and then the next thing is, what would make today great? And then you list 3 things. And then daily affirmations, I am ... So it's kind of just like, I'm strong, I'm beautiful, like whatever you really need that day. So like the other day I said, I'm worthy of great things. That's gonna be the soul aspect. And then I'm gonna do a 3-minute breathing work. I'm gonna actually skip breakfast and coffee really quick and go to my to-do list, and then I'll revisit the next one. I did some manifestations and some breathing, and I feel really good. So let's get to the to-do list. So actually, what if you guys like prefer, you could like eat whenever you want. Like this isn't like a strict guideline, but for me, I don't really eat this early. It's only like 8 a.m. I don't even eat till like noon. So let's do my to-do list. Okay, so after this, I think I'm gonna head over to get a matcha, and then I want to pick up some flowers. So I don't know quite where I'm gonna do that. I could go to the farmer's market, but it's the other way of where my matcha is. So first things first, I'll put grocery store. And then next, we're gonna do edit. Okay, and then what else do I have to do today? I have to vlog. I might have a date with myself and like literally get some good ass food. Okay, not too much to do besides literally edit so much. So that is the game plan for the day. I guess I should go get matcha now because there won't be as much traffic. This is my outfit, by the way, guys. Super cute, casual. So I just got here and I passed by it, and the line is so long, and I know I just have to go in and get my name, but I haven't even gotten a text that it's ready. Also debating if I want to get a bagel. Is that a part of like that girl morning routine, eating a bagel? I don't know, but it's just looking good and I'm hungry. I feel like waking up so early makes me so much more hungry. I don't know why. Kind of stressed to go, even though like I know gotta be brave, but the anxiety. I got the bagel. I really want to try it right now, like literally live. Oh my god, I got an egg bagel with vegan cream cheese and lox. That is so good. So I went to Alfred's. I got light honey, so we'll see if it's sweet enough. Wow, that's literally perfect. That is so good. Oh, I'm so happy. I don't even know what time it is, but Adi texted me and he was like, hey, just woke up, and I'm like fully done with my morning routine. It's actually crazy to me that I've been up for like 3 hours. I'm low-key starting to fall, but I do have just a lot of computer work today to do, so I'm gonna charge my laptop because I'm dumb and I didn't charge my laptop. So I'm charging my laptop right now, and in the meantime, I'm gonna drink my matcha, eat the other half of my bagel, which it honestly is hurting my stomach so much because they didn't have gluten-free bagels. I'm just fighting through the pain. I'm low-key feeling out of breath because the matcha is giving me some anxiety, but I'm fine. I'm just gonna chill, eat the bagel. But yeah, this is kind of like the morning routine, that girl morning routine guide. I hope you guys take some tips from this and implement it in your morning routine. I feel like I definitely will. I like waking up early. It's just very hard for me to get used to it. But I think I'm gonna start waking up earlier on days that I have a lot of like computer work to do, because I feel like on days where I have to film a lot, I feel like I won't have a lot of energy because I'm not used to it. I mean, slowly as I get used to waking up early, I think I'll be better, but right now I'm just like really tired and it's not even 9:30 yet. So that's what I like about it. I like that like I have so much time to just do things. Yeah, so I actually really like it. I like that it takes time for yourself in the morning. Like you have more time for yourself when you wake up early, which is good. This is the morning routine. I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know if you want like a that girl night routine. I feel like that could be fun too, where we like go through a guide for that. Now let me know if you try it and tweet me, DM me, tag me on Instagram. I love you guys so much. Hope you have an amazing day, a beautiful day, amazing week, amazing life, and see you in my next video. Make sure to subscribe because so many videos coming your way. Bye guys.